Is that funny, Tori? Where's Zoe? Oh, crawled over here. Maggie, she thinks you are so funny. Do it again. Isn't that funny? Let's get the Zoe. Where is the Zoe crawling? Say hi, Maggie. What a big girl. How you doing, cuteness? Hello. I see that. I see it.
Mom, can you give me some water?
Yeah.
No.
Say hi to the camera. What dress are you wearing?
What is doing?
Beautimus. Schlades, everybody.